If you're into industrial automation and electrical design engineering, then you've come to the best possible place. My name is Ivan, and first, excuse the glasses. I really do not want to reveal my identity to the whole world. So I have been designing industrial automation systems for the last 9 years and across industries. On the one hand, automotive industry, so car body manufacturing and industrial paint shops for clients such as Volkswagen and Daimler. On the other hand, in the process industry, so oil and gas, food and beverages, chemical, pharmaceutical, and so on. So I've gained over the years a lot of knowledge from different industries in the electrical design engineering. This course is going to have two main parts. So in the first part of the course, we are going to learn about this project you see in the background. So I'm going to explain how I started to work on this project, what were the key requirements from the customer, and also how I managed to dimension the power system, how I managed to dimension the climate control system for these enclosures, and also about the software where I created all the circuit diagrams. So this is a typical example of a more complex industrial automation system from the process industry. It's a refrigeration system consisting of three main segments. The first segment, I would say, would be compressors. In this case, we had two screw type compressors. The first one was 160 kilowatts and the second one 132 kilowatts. The second segment was the technology, and we had about 100 kilowatts of various consumers. And the third segment is, of course, the control system with the corresponding cabinet. As mentioned, as a first part of the course, we're going to learn about this project. And then in the second part of the course, I'm going to present all the software I used to be able to successfully finish this project. So the first software which I used to dimension the power system, so the protection devices, the cables and everything. The second software I used to determine the heat loss parameter, since we had about 400 kilowatts in these cabinets, so the heat loss and the overheating of the cabinets, the possible overheating of the cabinets was a big issue. So I had to be careful and make sure to dimension the climate control system, in this case the fans, the proper way. And then the next lecture is going to be about software I used to create all the circuit diagrams. So this course is going to be a nice insight into the world of electrical design engineering with focus on real-life application. I hope you like what you see over here, and I invite you to enroll. And now let's join our forces, my knowledge and your readiness to learn, and let's master electrical design engineering for industrial applications.